Hi, my name is Mike Blake, and why should you trust me to give you advice on your pool? I have 15 plus years in the pool industry. Started out servicing, maintaining, cleaning, doing repairs on pools, and then I moved into the building side. And in the last 5 years, I've built 250 pools, most of them in Florida, which is a very tough environment to build pools in. Very lots of codes and lots of inspections. So I've got a unique perspective of the whole process for building and maintaining swimming pools. I understand that, when you build something a certain way, it's going to be hard to maintain. And so, I've got a unique perspective that I believe gives me a very good basis for understanding pools and giving good advice as to how they should be built and exit. In addition, I graduated with an electrical engineering degree from Texas Tech in 1992 and received my MBA from the University of Texas at Dallas in 2001. I've been an engineer in telecom. I've owned a sign company. I've got various business ventures before I got in the pool industry. So I have a very good understanding of business as well. And, all that goes with that. So it gives me a good broad base of experience to be able to talk to you about what is important on your pool and what you should be looking